Hello there and welcome. If you're seeing this, it's not by accident. And actually, if you resonate with what I'm going to tell you, that means that your intuition is kicking in. I'm looking for 10 high achievers in their respective field to get together and go through a program that's going to skyrocket your income like you wouldn't believe. Who am I? I was a national trainer for Tony Robbins, worked 13 years with Covey and 6 years with Proctor. I've distilled 43 years of that information, enabling my clients to double, triple, even 10x their income. And right now, I'm on a mission to find 10 high achievers that want to make 2023 their year. No more settling. And they want to find out that other things than techniques, social media, LinkedIn, all this stuff, which is good, but they want to look more at inside. They realize that success starts with them. And I'm here to help unleash the champion that's inside of you. If this message resonates with you, that means that your intuition is kicking in. And intuition is the breakfast of champions. As you listen to it, more and more of it will come. And as they come, other opportunities which were right now in your life but you're not seeing will start to pop up because your intuition will guide you more. That's just one out of 10 things that'll teach you to make the high achiever that's inside of you wake up and claim what you know is yours. I'm looking forward to have a conversation with you. Let's find out if we're a good match. Your intuition should kick in right now and says, hey, I like this, or I don't. If you don't, then don't. If you do, then do. We miss 100% of the shots we don't take. we're offering it to you. Click on the link. Let's get together and start the process to find out how we can unleash the high achiever that's sleeping right now inside of you. Until that time, make it a great day. This is Francois from howtobecomemore.com.